What is up, everyone? So today I'm going to be replacing the battery on my ASUS laptop. I bought this laptop off of Facebook Marketplace for $100. It was a good deal for this laptop. It is a 2017 ASUS Pro B9440U. But I think the battery on this is still the original from brand new. Now it only holds like an hour of charge while using the laptop normally. So I bought a battery, OEM battery. Hopefully I get more use out of this laptop with the new battery. For the specs, if you wanted to know, the specs for this is an i5 7200U. It is a 2-core 4-thread processor. It has Intel HD graphics 620. It's got 8 gigabytes of DDR3. The display is a 14-inch display, 16 by 9, 1920 by 1080. It is an IPS display, and the SSD is a 256 gig SSD by Micron. So those are the basic specs. Like I said, the battery does die like within an hour. So, and sometimes when I'm watching a video, it would go from like 50% to dead. So that's a sign of a bad battery, I'm sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. All right, so I shut down the computer. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the back cover and then install the new battery. Let me show you guys the new battery. Here it is. It should be, so this is an OEM ASUS battery. So we're just gonna replace that with the old one in here. I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up. All right, so I've removed all the screws. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the cover. Shouldn't be too hard. There you go. Cover is now off. So this is the old battery, and this is the new one. So we're just gonna be replacing that. All right. So hopefully I don't burn my house down with these batteries. So looks like there's a screw here. And then there's some over here. I think there's 4 screws in total. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4 right here. Alright, so it's the SSD right there. Unfortunately, this laptop cannot be upgraded. So the RAM can't be upgraded. It's soldered RAM, so that's unfortunate. It only has 8 gigs, and this laptop will always have 8 gigs. But 8 gigs is still usable. It's not too bad. Let's see if I can remove this. Alright, I gotta unplug it. Let's see. I've never done this before. How do you... Okay, it looks like you have to push up. No. How do we do that? How do we remove this? Okay, let's see. Maybe like this. Let me try something. Okay, it doesn't look like it wants to come up. Oh, there's another screw up here. So this little connection here is kind of hard to remove. Not sure how to exactly remove it. I feel like I just gotta push it up and out. Let me try that. Oh, hopefully I didn't break that. So yeah, it looks like it just slides in and then you push down to clip it in. But that is the connection unplugged. And now to remove the battery. There it is, the old battery. And then we're gonna put in the new one right here. like so. So I'm gonna put the screws for the battery first. Alright, so the battery is now screwed in. Now it's just time to connect this. Alright, so it looks like we have to push this little metal thing back. Push in your power, and then you push the metal thing back, and that holds it. Alright, so this battery is probably dead, so let me put the cover back on without the screws, and then let me plug it into the charger and see if the battery is charged. Alright, I got my USB Type-C charger. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. So once we plug it in, we should get a yellow light here, and my cover just fell off. So let me just plug it in like this. Alright, so it looks like we do get an orange light. My camera. So it looks like it may be charging the battery now. Let me close this. Yeah, so it looks like the battery is completely dead. I'm gonna just go ahead and let it. I'm just gonna go ahead and let it charge. So I'm gonna let it charge and see if finally my laptop will last longer than an hour. So I'm just gonna put these bolts back on. Alright, well, that concludes this video. I replaced the battery on this ASUS laptop. Now I'm just letting it charge, and hopefully I get more than an hour of usage for this on this laptop. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Bye.